In Japan, if a train arrives 20 seconds late, the driver officially apologizes to every single passenger. Not 1 minute, not 30 seconds, 20 seconds. And in 1989, one train was 49 seconds late, and it made national news. This is not a joke. This is Japan, the most punctual country on Earth. But how did Japan become this obsessed with time? The answer will shock you. In 1872, Japan had no trains at all. People traveled by foot or horse for weeks. Then on October 14th, 1872, Japan launched its very first railway line. The entire nation was stunned. People had never seen anything move so fast in their lives. But the Japanese government made one rule that changed everything forever. The rule was simple. The train must always arrive exactly on time. No exceptions, ever. This one rule planted a seed that grew into the most disciplined culture on Earth. Japanese engineers began designing trains to be accurate to within 30 seconds per year. Per year, not per day, not per week. 30 seconds across an entire year. Meanwhile, in the United States, trains are considered on time if they arrive within 30 minutes. 30 minutes versus 30 seconds. That is a difference of 6,000%. But here is where the story gets truly incredible. Japan's Shinkansen, the bullet train, has been running since 1964. In over 60 years of operation, it has never had a single fatal accident. Never, not one. In 60 years of carrying billions of passengers. The average delay of the Shinkansen per year is 0.9 minutes, less than 1 minute annually. But this obsession with punctuality did something unexpected to Japanese society. It infected every single part of Japanese life. Schools, businesses, hospitals, everything. Japanese children are taught from age 3 that being late is a form of disrespect. Not just rude, not just impolite, an actual act of disrespect toward other humans. This philosophy transformed Japan from a war-destroyed nation in 1945 into an economic superpower. In just 30 years, Japan became the second largest economy on Earth. Economists studied Japan and found one pattern repeated everywhere. The pattern was this: respect for time creates respect for systems, and systems create wealth. Now here's the question that will change how you think about your own life. How many minutes do you waste every single day? 10 minutes late to work every day equals 40 hours lost per year. A full work week. The Japanese figured this out 150 years ago. Most of the world still hasn't. There is a Japanese concept called Kaizen. It means continuous improvement. 1% better every day. That is all Japan asks of its people and its trains. And 1% per day compounded over a year makes you 37 times better. 37 times. From just showing up on time and improving slightly every single day. The next time you're about to be late, remember this video, because every minute you respect is a vote for the life you want to build. Share this with someone who is always late. It might change their entire life. Japan did not change the world with money or weapons. It changed the world with 1 minute.